Hi, this is Ken with VOD TV. We're at the Connections Conference, Parks Associates Connections Conference in Santa Clara. We're at the Motorola Mobility booth, and specifically we'll be looking at their 4Home product, and we're with Jerry Kurtze. Jerry, why don't you tell us a little bit about 4Home and your recent addition to Motorola Mobility's portfolio?
Sure, yeah. Well, thanks for having us here. We're real excited to be part of Motorola. We're able to leverage all the resources that Motorola has in their media capabilities and bring our capability to connect the entire home. So in the future, which is actually occurring now, you can get all these devices we're showing here today off the shelf from Amazon, Home Depot, Best Buy. Put together the connected world in your home and simplify what you're doing, whether it's connecting your security system, viewing cameras in your house, having an energy management system, right? Or just doing simple control of your thermostat without even having to get off your couch. We can come over here, for example, to our TV while we're watching a video and move over to change the thermostat temperature, and you actually can see potentially over here the temperature is actually changing. Everything happens wireless, and one of the great things about our platform is it's so flexible and it allows for use with multiple different standards, things like Zigbee and Z-Wave, which are all coming out today and making it easier for people to connect their home.
Well, one of the other things that it makes it easy for a service provider too is your software actually runs on existing devices they have, so it reduces capital expenditures. Is that correct?
You are correct. I mean, we've created the software architecture to run on multiple different devices, and it's really aimed at the service provider. So it's not only about connecting these devices, but it's also about allowing the service provider to manage it. Because as you get more and more things in the home, the service provider doesn't want to send out a truck every week to fix your home. That would just be problematic. So we have them give them the ability to fix problems, see what's going on, and help the consumer all at the same time.
And so it looks like you've integrated onto multiple devices. You've got the Zoom application there, so you're working on Android, working on iPhone. And is that something, you are a Motorola company, you have a lot of those things, but are you working with other platforms beyond just the Motorola platform?
Sure. Yeah. I mean, we think everybody would prefer Motorola devices, but, in the world we live in, we want to support as much as possible. We're a software platform that's scalable. We'll run on what our partners want us to run on. So, when we get together with a partner, we'll figure out what makes sense to them. In some cases, we might run on a Motorola set-top box. In other cases, our partners might want us to run on a security panel, right? The hardware can come from Motorola. It can come from someone else. We're trying to be agnostic and help everybody get to market with a killer product.
And it seems like, I know of one telecom provider that has made a big commitment to you, and it seems like the market is there. Is that kind of the calculus that went into the decision to bring 4Home into the Motorola Mobility product line?
I can't speak to all of Motorola and their decisions, but I'm sure that's a big portion of it, right? As we all know, most people are predicting this market is really going to explode in the next few years, and whenever that happens, it's great for a company to get involved in the business. We think it's great for the whole industry for someone like Motorola to bring a name, right? Rather than just be these small companies. Now you have a name that service providers trust, that they're going to be willing to partner with, and they're going to be around, and our software is going to continue to grow and thrive.
Well, it seems like the networked home is here, so I look forward to seeing more and more implementations.
I appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Jerry.
Thank you.